Hello and welcome. Today I am going to discuss 3 best way to generate traffic for your affiliate marketing offer. So, hi everyone, my name is Nasim. I am a professional marketer. So, if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe because it will help me to continue working on this channel. So, no more talks, let's drive on. Number 1 in my list, which is short form video marketing. Create engaging short video on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Showcase product benefit through demos, comparison, or unboxing video. Use trending sound, hashtag, and challenges to boost reach. And lastly, use call to action for drive your traffic into a customer. Number 2 is paid advertising, which is the best and fastest way to generate high quality traffic to your affiliate marketing offer. Run targeted ads on Facebook, Instagram, Google, or TikTok to reach potential buyer. Use retarget to show ad to user who has interacted with your content before. Create compiling ad creative and test different format like video, carousel, images, and so on. Direct traffic to a landing page with your affiliate link for higher conversion. So you will get the fastest and better result from your ad campaign. So if you have budget, then I always recommend to use paid marketing for your affiliate marketing traffic. Number 3 and last one in my list, which is influence and community marketing. Share affiliate link in niche Facebook group, Reddit community, and Discord servers. Collaborate with micro influencer to promote affiliate product to their audience. Engage in Q&A platform like Quora and answer relevant questions with value-driven response. Participate in Telegram or WhatsApp group related to your niche and subtly recommend product. That's all for today. If you want to learn more and if you are interested to learn more about marketing, then stay tuned with me. In my channel, always I try to share the useful video like this. So if you think this video was useful for you, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to support me, then subscribe to my channel because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim and I will see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.